Hello, on the left here we have the new Duckheads, and on the right we have the old style Duckhead. These are both 30 watt Apple USB-C power adapters with the base model 13-inch MacBook Air laptops. They have just recently decided to change the style of the Duckheads. So I want to show you this video just so you don't think one version is fake, because there are just two different styles of Duckheads right now. This is 2024 and 2025 model adapters here. Both have different Duckheads, so it don't matter year versus year, they're just different. As you see, the model numbers are the same. Definitely let me know if you have any questions, but they both work fine. They're both genuine Apple ones. Like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.